Device. There. There. Yes. Oh.
So secure and high feature. So secure you can fucking do anything with it. You can fucking do anything.
Stay home. COVID-19. This is sick. Stay home. COVID-19.
Stop the panic!
Hey, it's unfa. Can you hear me? Almost. No sound? Or is it there? Okay, yes, there's sound. Whew! My goodness. Oh, that was a roller coaster. Getting this stream to even start was a roller coaster. Welcome in 2021, everybody. If that's how the rest of the year is gonna go, I don't know if I am not gonna go back to 2020. So today I started my preparations by messing up my partition table after a failed update because my disk filled up and it wouldn't boot up. So then I went on to try and fix it and I broke it even worse. And then I was trying to restore some data and then finally managed to fix my partitions and make the system boot. And then I updated BIOS and then a couple of other things. Yeah, the webcam didn't want to work. Nothing wanted to work, but here we are. Somehow. Oh, it's a miracle. Someone told me on Discord when I was reporting all the problems that my sweet wife should be carrying a camera around me and we should make a documentary about how the hell is this even possible to have this many problems. It just works. Sometimes, as Rob Vandenberg says in the chat. So yes, welcome in 2021. Hopefully, I hope you're all feeling well. There's 75 people watching. It's quite a lot. So it was interesting, like even up until yesterday up until yesterday, there was like one music track submitted for this live stream. I think everybody just got so busy with the holidays and family stuff, I guess, that they've just totally forgot to submit something. But I said it in the chat and I also announced on Discord or Mastodon that, hey, if you're sitting on some cool tracks made with FOSS, hopefully made recently, then send them over. And you delivered, because we have 30 minutes of music to play. And that is awesome. Someone is... Grega Tresek says the Mushroom Tower. This is a cover art for a remix of Combustible Lemonade's track titled "The Other Castle." You can read in the upper right corner. There's the title of the track. Yeah, so I made this my wallpaper because I like this. Alrighty, we're gonna make some music. I wanted to make time to make some concrete ideas on what I want to make today, but all that time went into fixing problems. So I'm a blank slate. We can do whatever. I'm open for ideas. If you have any ideas of what music we can make today, let me know. I'm going to just start up Ardor and we're going to create something. Lifeline says that remix took 5 years to complete. Yes, it took 5 years. This track, I have been making it since 2015 and released it in December? Only last month, last year. Alrighty, let's make a new Ardor session. And I'm gonna also reduce my face size because that's apparently something I often forget to do. Also, what the hell is this thing? Oh, that's the thing. Ah! Wait. That's not better. Where's my face? Oh, my beautiful face. There's no face. Okay, so the trouble isn't over yet. Well, wait. Why is there... Okay, oh, there we go. All right, that's the thing we need. Good. Okay, you can hear my voice. There's no background noise. Fabulous. Let's call it unfa live 2021 0103. Alrighty, and here is our beautiful blank canvas. We can make whatever. People say polka, face of bass. What is face of bass? Is that someone's name? Use B oops. I don't think I have it installed. What could you do? I'm really liking you know what, we could try Geonkick a bit. Let's fan out. Someone said Synthwave. That could be interesting. I haven't made Synthwave in a long time. Oh, nice! It probably roots stereo-ness of these thingies. Cool, awesome. So we have, okay, let's go call it drums. I'm going to select these things and just hide them because I'm just going to use the first three. I'm going to call one kick, snare, hi-hat, and this should do for time being. Okay, we have MIDI input. Geonkick has changed a little bit since I last used it. What it looks like now is it's nicer. It has more things also. The layout is a little bit different and has these presets and also has samples. By the way, there's a drum kit I made before, or like sounds from my... Oh, which note is that? Oh, there's a kit. Okay, but we're gonna make something fresh. Let's not use these and just make something new. Oh, I have a new... What about reset? Oh, there you go. What about reset like completely? Maybe I'm just gonna delete all them. Make a new one. Call this kick. Phew! Also, I could be zooming in, couldn't I? Yeah! Could be doing this thing. Wow! That's new. Haven't seen this ever. What is that? Wait. Oh! It's reversed now! So this is the audio channel, and this is the key mapping. Whoa, that's so good! I like that. That is awesome. Let's say I want to have this play on C4. I wonder if I can select multiple. With control? No, single, okay. A4, C... Okay, C4. There we go! Oh, I like this change a lot. It makes much more sense that here we assign the output audio channel, and they are numbered from 1, starting from 1, not starting from 0. That's great. By the way, maybe I should make my camera a little bit larger in there. Is that better? Oh, there's no sound from Ardor. My goodness. Of course there isn't. Is there now? Okay. You know what? I'm also worried that this audio video sync could be less than ideal. No, it's good. Wow. I wanted to check it. I just didn't have the time. Everything broke. Okay, we have a kick instrument. Let's make a snare and a hi-hat. We probably, for like synthwave, we'll probably need some toms also. So I could maybe make one tom, and we can later assign them. Okay, C4. Now let's go there. Make the C sharp for the snare. Hi-hat C D4 and the tom 1 D sharp 4. Okay. Now we should have, Yeah, these things outputting on different channels. Let's call this Tom. I wonder if we can copy and paste channels. I think we can duplicate them. You know what? I'm gonna name these Tom 1, Tom 2, and Tom 3 already, and we'll have this ready. And when we make the Tom, hide these. We're gonna have the tracks already there to root it. Kraber says, you can just use all drum machine samples. Yeah, I could, but where's the fun in that? I want to make my own. I synthesize my own drums. I can't just, I mean, I can, but I don't find it so so interesting to use, you know, some other people's sounds. Let's make a kick drum and let's make it okay. It's not yet scalable, but that would be fantastic. Oh, and the coffee is decent. Wow. Sorry. Unfa, notice us. I could focus on the melodies. And we are shouting for minutes here. So you mean you want me to not make drum sounds, but focus on melodies and that kind of stuff? Well, we could load some presets and call it a day. All right, let's do it that way. Let's find some... Okay, I don't know if that's gonna work. If it's gonna work. Oh, it is. Just changes the mapping. Okay. I'm just gonna modify it slightly, maybe. Maybe make it shorter. Kit. And chords. And cool bass sounds and effects. We have a winner. We can use existing drums. Proceeds to design a kick drum, yes. No, I just use a preset. But maybe this, some snare. Okay, C sharp. We can make this work. I mean, I think this snare can work for Synthwave as well. Need some hi-hat. Metallic snare. What is this one? C sharp major D4. Sorry, D4. That's hi-hat. This isn't very cool, but I'm gonna just shorten it and call it a day. Oh my god, it's piercing. Maybe that's a bit better. Alrighty. So you don't want to focus on the drums. Okay, let's not do the toms then. I think this is gonna work as a basic beat. Like we could even use pum 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 AVL drum kits to have a drum kit, acoustic one. I need a snapping. Okay. Oh. I don't know if this is resembling anything. I wonder what will happen if I insert it. No, that's a bad idea. I thought about adding reverb right here, but actually we can do that. What's the worst that could happen? Maybe let's use the plate. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's interesting. We are adding the reverb per channel, so that's a very quick thing. Alrighty, let's go make some melodies then, because you guys are up for some melodies. I want to use Surge because I just like it recently. Let me use 8 instances, so we don't have to worry about not having another Surge instance to play. Righty, that's like the simplest. Rob Vanderberg says, I saw what you did there. Ha ha! Also, we can change it to brighter. Wow, I haven't been doing melodies in a while. Da-da-da. Okay. That don't like it. The rhythm is a bit. Oh, I like this pause here. It was accidental. I didn't intend it to be here, but. Ta-da. Ta-da. Ta. Ta-da. 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 And then we can repeat this phrase. Hey, we've got something going on. We can also make one of these drum patterns a bit different. Oh no, this is another drum pattern. Let's call this Solid. Oh my goodness, that's a solid name. You get it? Yeah. Peepo, peepo, pam. Alrighty, we have some drum beats. Can make them smaller. My goodness, I learned so much doing this MIDI masterclass for Ardor. Like, I've been doing so much research. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. You know what I want to do? I want to get some poor vibrato going on in here. And what I'm going to do is use a macro. So I'll take this macro, I'm going to assign it to pitch. And no, what am I doing? That's wrong. Let's clear this assignment. I'm going to assign it to LFO ampli. What? Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Clear. Rename macro to nothing. Will it work? Okay. All right. Let's do it other way. First, use the LFO. Don't stop me now. Why is Nils Hilbricht quoting Queen lyrics? I don't have an idea. Oh no, we're gonna copyright strike my stream! No! Ho, 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 it's YouTube's. You can't sing a song, or someone will claim it. I should make a stream where I only sing copyrighted songs and just crap on the system. I don't know. Adrian's guitar says, Unfa always cracks me up. I'll watch this later. Love to all and Happy New Year. Have a good one. Rob Vandenberg sings songs from my band. Okay. I know one. Next stream, Unfa goes to jail. Sorry, I just went EDM there for a while. Okay, so what we want maybe is tempo sync this. Or maybe not. Just go with about 5 Hertz. I think 4 or 5 Hertz is like the natural frequency of vibrato that people do, but it probably depends. Okay, so we have this really loud. Now we need to control the amount of that modulation. And we can do this. Haha. By turning this amplitude of the LFO down, now selecting that and turning it up again. And now we can rename it to vibrato, yeah. We could also use some pitch bends. Let's maybe just leave it for now and play with this vibrato thing we've just built for ourselves. So processor automation, surge macro 1. I wonder if LV2 plugins allow modifying the automatable parameter names. Let's try and do this. Yep! Got vibratoed! We can make it really obnoxious and not really musical anymore, but see what happens. Oh, no, it's pretty cool. Wait, what's going on? Oh, something's weird going on. It's like when a note starts, when this is changing, it's like... Oh, that weird. Okay, I think this is great. Oh, we could convert it to MIDI-CC automation and have it follow our sweet, sweet MIDI clips. Don't know if I'm able to do that. Let's try. Controllers. Let's use this for... Is there a controller that is, like, used for that thing, kind of thing. Let's use the modulation wheel. Channel 1. Maybe I shouldn't be using macros, just use modulation wheel. Okay, I'm going to select all the points. If I can. Okay, with control I can click and drag. Good. Control C. Now I'm going to select this thing and do control V. Oh, it works! I just need to set my edit point to playhead because I can't put my mouse there. Haha! Oh, it's clipped. Oh, what? What? Oh, this changed too. Right, that's weird. Let's set this to manual and hide it so it's no longer... Now what we can do is the fabulousness of just copying and pasting this whole media region and having everything else go along with it. I just need to copy it to the second clip because it's... Haha! Can you imagine having this technology in 2021? And now I just need to get Surge to use this input for that thingy. Whoa, didn't want to do that. And we can actually use just this mod wheel here to modulate our velocity, sorry, our LFO amplitude. It works! Okay, so we can just leave it, or we could actually learn. We could, like, clear this thing, and instead assign macro 2 MIDI-CC modulation wheel. Haha! It works either way. I love it. Nicey. Really happy about that. So we have our macro. We can have more macros if we want. I think I want to add a little bit of wave shaping to this sound, though. Also a little bit of noise. You know what? I need to stop this transport, put it here, select this, and loop it. Maybe add a delay. Okay. That's our lead line. That's a lead line we can go with. Oh, there's 80 people watching. Awesome. Welcome. Nice to see you all here. 81 now. $82, what's going on? Stop going up! I'm getting nervous. I think this LFO on the filter is going a little bit too deep. We can make it a little bit... Oh yes, it's going it's going really, really low, really deep. Let's move it a bit like that. More viewers. Oh yeah, there's 85, 86. What's going on? Oh, 85. Back to 85. Okay. Oh, for a second there, I was really getting worried. That's my get. Oh my God, 86 again. Okay. You know what? I think we should go with copying this. And automation goes after! And make a second voice for that. But I think I would duplicate this instrument to avoid having... Let's go copy it after selection, so it's right below, not on the bottom of our stack. I'm gonna call this lead harmony. 90 when? Oh, it's 90! What? 89. My goodness, what is happening? Did someone post a link to this live stream in some place where people appreciate what I do, but I have no idea that it exists, or what? Oh, it's copied our automation lane too. I'm gonna clear it. And let's open up the modulation wheel channel so we have control over that. Let's play with some harmony. Ta, ta. Let's try this. Ta, ta. Ta, ta, ta. What about that? Whoa, what did I press? I've hit a key. I have hit a key. I had no idea I... How about this? Oh, the two phrases are identical. I didn't need to copy and paste the automation. 93 people watching! Whee! I think that's a record. 92. I never saw more than 90, I think. 94. What is going on? 95! Oh, you've crossed my birth year. What the hell? Looks like all the troubles getting the stream to work was worth it. I think we should make some variation for the second voice, for the second repetition of the phrase. Ta-da, ta-da. Ta-da-da-da. Ta-ta. Ta. I think it's doable, workable, usable. Could do. I would like to high-pass these a bit. And you know what? There's a high-pass filter just for that. Inside Surge. Oh, yeah, now we can get a more driving beat and the bass line going after this. Like, you know what? Let's drop into Psytrance and just go. But also, like, try and connect it with this synthwavy feel. What do you say? You know what I'm gonna need? I'm gonna need a different kick. Sorry, I need to synthesize at least one kick during this stream. Like, come on. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Okay. You know what? I should do this. Shift L, trucks and buses, and just go visible, 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 visible. And rename this to Kick 2. Not to be confused with the instrument called Kick 2. Also toms, I can hide these two. Okay. Nice. Want a kick. Want a Psytrance kick. My goodness, I like Psytrance kicks. And basses. 5, 6, 7, 8. Because this one, tom 1, tom 2, tom 3. Okay, this is gonna be it. Tom 3 is D sharp 4. Tom 1, 2, 3, kick 2. Alrighty. F sharp 2. F sharp 4. Yep. There we go. Oh, it's hot. It's got reverb. We might need to get rid of that reverb, or it's gonna be. Oh, and we can change the assigned note here. That's so convenient. I love it. Geonkick is getting better and better. Xavier Brand says, hello from South Africa. Welcome. Nice to see you. Okay. I'm gonna make a Psytrance kick. So, what we need is... Oh, the layout is a little bit changed. Oscillator 1. Frequency, please. Frequency. There it goes. Let's make it higher for the starters, because the Psytrance kicks need a lot of pew pew. They're very pew pew dependent. Without a lot of pew pew, they don't sound right. Ha! Kraber says, unfa, thanks for linking Olive Video Editor. I'm loving it. Awesome. I'm happy it works for you. Some people are having major stability issues with it, but I am very happy with it. I think we need to move this plate from the actual, like the master, to the... Yeah. I think we don't need it on the kicks. Pew, pew! Oh, we could sample that pew, pew, and... Mark Duran says, has this stream reached 100 plus people before? No, never crossed 100 as far as I remember. No, never crossed 100 viewers concurrent. Yeah, I think it never went above a 90 before. It was like 85 something. Who knows, maybe we'll cross 100 today. Rob Vandenberg says, kind request to promote this live stream in your socials. Thank you. I need that 100, he says. All right, let's get back to this Psytrance kick that nobody wanted, but I really needed to do it. I think we need to tweak our pitch envelope a little bit. Ooh, that's deep. We can equalize it by altering the velocity at different frequencies. I'm cutting off the MIDI stuff, muddy muds. Muddy meaty mids. Talb says, hello from Israel. Welcome. Rob Vandenberg says, wait, synthesize kicks equals lose viewers? Not necessarily, there's 95 people watching. Okay, so that's I think it's a bit too long. That should be do it. I think that the highs are a little bit painful, so what I'm going to do is use air windows. Yeah, what should I do? To vinyl. Oh, to vinyl. To vinyl 4. And that's... The thing is, it has an interesting limiter of high frequencies. I'm not sure it's doing what I think it's doing. I think Interstage could help us. I don't know what it's supposed to be doing, but Interstage is a plugin that emulates something. And what I've found it to do is really nicely round off high frequencies if you push it really hard. So I'm going to push it really hard. And then back off. There is a slight difference. It is less painful in the high frequencies when I applied this interstage thing, but I had to really drive it hard. Okay. Yep. So F sharp is our kick new. Oh, I think this is gonna be. Whoa, this is gonna be enough. Let's change the edit point to mouse. You can see we have this blue line under our mouse cursor now. That means it's the edit point. Good. Maybe we can do something with the hi-hat. Yeah, like do this, and then do the classic speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. And I think I still want to EQ this kick to LSP parametric. Equalizer stereo, yay! To reduce the highs a bit. Oh wait, what's going on? Ah! Greetings, you've just updated plugins to version 1.1.28. Oh, there's some new stuff probably, maybe. Alrighty, let's use a high pass. Make it very, 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 very steep. Use a low shelve to give it more bass still. And use a bell. Alrighty, should be better now. Okay, good. We need a bass. And after we have our Psytrance bass, we can continue our quest to make it melodic. Alrighty, I need to fit 4 notes in one of these, so I'm gonna just do that. And I'm going to do this and do this. 16th? Yay. Yep. Oh, I can actually do this just to have 4 notes. And simply... Actually, I could also lower this in 1 octave down. Bop, bop, bop. How much kicks we have? This much kicks. Okay. Let's make more of that, because why not? Alrighty, the important thing here is gonna be sidechain. LSP, sidechain, compressor, stereo. And we need to root in the original kick. Or actually not the original kick, the Psytrance kick. So when that plays, now we need to also change the input of the sidechain. Can lower the threshold. I think this could be pretty cool. Holy smokes, it's 104 people watching now! Woo! Let's make a wave, everybody. And wave! Wow, that's a milestone. Oh, they're quickly running away. Seeing me doing weird things. But wow, that's amazing. This is still way too high. I'm going to open this surge and lower this. Also, I'm going to loop that so we can just listen. Let's use the filter envelope. I think this is pretty psytrancey. Oh, I like this even more. Wow. What else can we do? Interesting stuff. Add some reverb. Let's use this scene LFO too. Okay, one more thing. We need to make sure that our reverb is quickly decaying after the notes are over, so it doesn't last. So I'm going to reduce this release time for our envelope. And now it doesn't leave our nasty tail. Kraber says, I have to go to sleep now. Bye, Unfa. Bye, all. Nice having you. Bye-bye. Alrighty. Let's listen to this so far and see what we got. This is so ridiculous. It's not even in the same key. Ah, that's awesome. I love it. But I think it would be better if it was in the same key. What key am I in here? D major? D minor. Okay, what is this then? F sharp. Okay, that's the reason. Oh, because I just copied the note we had from the bass. Sorry, the kick. Let's move this to D then. So F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 semitones down. Ah, that's gonna be too low. It's not gonna sound good. Let's try it though. Is it D? Oh no, I went 1 too far. It was just 4 semitones down. Okay, 4 semitones down. Let's see if it sounds like it's in the same key now. I'm not sure if this bass is not too deep now. Like it may be so deep it won't play on any speaker system in the world. What do you think? Is this bass too low? If it's gonna like work? Maybe I should move this up in key and keep this similar, or at least a little bit up. I think I'm going to move it up 3 semitones. Oh, I like this tone. F. So we're going to be a little bit deeper. F. And now I want to move this thing to F as well. With our D. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 semitones up is going to be F. So let's do this. Actually, when I'm thinking about it... oh! I had some... Okay, let's be in the grab mode so I'm not selecting like individual notes, just everything. Why doesn't this move? That's so weird. Are we F? We are F. Okay, I think we have the key change, or the not changing keys, actually. That's okay. That's working. So I think we should have this Psytrance thingy for a while. Actually, I think we're gonna need a hi-hat, but we can use this one we have already. I think I'm actually gonna use this sound. And then we will enter with hi-hats. I know it's not a Psytrance-y hi-hat, but we don't want to spend time synthesizing drums, right? Oh wait, what is going on? That's weird. I know what's weird, we're just missing the bass. Also, I think I should do something with the bass too. Let's go with 30 seconds. Oh wait, am I snapping? Okay, I am. Okay, weird. Oh no, this feels weird. This hi-hat here just throws me off. This is not good. $106 people watching. I don't think it's good that this hi-hat has reverb. It shouldn't. It should be dry. I think we are going to need a hi-hat for this thingy. Right? Let's synthesize it then. It's gonna be quick, don't worry. F sharp, so this is gonna be G. Cat. Okay, let's make hi-hat 2. Make it send on channel 8. F sharp 4. G4. Yep. Controls. Okay. Hi-hat. Very simple hi-hat. Square wave, weird frequency. Perfect. White noise. Ooh. Turn this the hell down because it's really painful. Add a high-pass filter. My goodness, still painful. Now add a volume amplitude to make it decay shorter. There you go. All right, was that so hard to watch? Move it. Ha! That's the hi-hat I'm talking about. None of that silly, sluggish business. Yeah! That's good. That's a cruising Psytrance hi-hat. Now we can do something melodic on top of that. Maybe some chords. I'm not sure how. Wow, there's 111 people watching. I'm gonna screenshot that. Because that's a moment to remember. And my face was perfect too. New rule, viewer count is the BPM. That means I need to somehow write a script that's gonna read that up and change it immediately here. I think we need some weird vocal chops for this. What do you say? Weird vocal chops are very psytrancey, or aren't they? I think we need some weird vocal chops for this. Like, you can't have psytrance without weird vocal chops, can you? Ha! My instinct is to export this for Ninjas2. Whoa, I reversed it. Let's normalize it. Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna rename it to Vocal Chops 101. I'm gonna export it Alt-E. Control-Shift-E. Control-Shift-E. Control-Alt-E. No, MIDI? Okay, export region. Yeah, that's the way. Sweet. Now, enter Ninjas2. I hope I have it installed. Yay! LV2. Let's use LV2. Ninjas2. Now the problem is I need to find the... Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. There we go. Ha ha! Slice it up! 32 slices. Cool. Alright, now let's just have some fun. I'm gonna mute this. Also, I'm gonna insert a marker here so we know this is Psytrance. I'm not sure what note is the first one. I think. Okay. C4. All right, C4 is the thingy. You know what? I think this is gonna be fun. And I have an idea how to do it, like, let's randomize it. Edit MIDI transform. Note number is this note's number plus, wait, to this note's number plus a random number between 0 and 31. Okay, it doesn't really sit in the beat. Weird. I think I need to change the sensitivity. Onsets. Oh, because it wasn't. That's the thingy. Okay, that's it's an interesting thing. I'm gonna undo that. I'm gonna duplicate this way more, so we have more like, and I'm gonna repeat this. Transform. So this note's number to this note's number plus a random number between 0 and 31. Let's do it. And now I'm gonna just mess up these things and see what happens. I mean, see what fun things I can find. You know what? We need a sidechain gate on this so it's going pumping with the bass or the kick. Or it's not gonna sound like it's in time. So, kick 2. Alright, I think we need to shorten the release time. Alright, what? Let's consolidate this. Yep. And make it a little longer. I think it's too fast. Yeah, that's something I'm talking about. Also, we could do something like Wolf LFO. And yeah, maybe not sidechain. Didn't unfa say they didn't have boobs installed? And reverb to this unfa. Reverb to the vocals, you mean? Alrighty. Dragonfly. I like the plate. Rovenberg says, plate is love, plate is live. You mean life? I think I want to tweak a little bit of the chops. Wow, I like how this plate like it's almost like a spring reverb. And also the flanger effect. Wow! The flanger, I mean okay, what it's called? Flutter plus the reverb sounds like a spring reverb. How about this? I want to make one particular, like a part of my vowel just gets stuck at some point. Just hello. Something like this, maybe. Control. That's even more psytrancey than use the pitch bend, Luke! No, wait. Luke. Use the pitch bend, Luke. Wait, I need the reverb on my voice for this to sound right. Let's use audio tracks. Make them stereo. Whoa. No. Make them stereo. Dragonfly. Luke, use the pitch bend, Luke. Okay, what am I doing? That's silly. I think this is a little bit too aggressive. I think I need to change this pumping effect. make this shorter. Ah! I think I also should compress this heavily before I apply the Wolf LFO, because compressor... Oh, actually, you know what? Squeezer. Oh, I haven't found the plugin. I haven't refreshed my plugins. Maybe it's gonna be quick and easy. Because I found this open source compressor plugin called Squeezer, and I installed it recently. I haven't used it yet. And I thought it could be a good idea to try it out. Oh, LSP plugins. Going strong. I wonder if I can do anything with Ardor. Oh yeah, I can work. This can be going in the background. I can do stuff. Great. But it's obviously making it less responsive. Huh. I think this flutter is a bit too strong. Okay, Squeezer. There it is. First time I'm loading this plugin in Ardor. And you know what happens when you load the plugin first time in Ardor? Sometimes it just goes poof. More plugins equals better. Haha. Oh, it's already compressing it. Wow, nice. I like compressors that compress stuff out of the box. Actually, I don't know if I like them. I just like this. I want to smash it. Okay, but that's after Wolf LFO. I want it before. Use the pitch bend. Of course I'm gonna do that. I think we need to set the pitch bend depth. 12 semitones. That's great. That's what we want. And let's go with just 0. Ah, yeah. It's two things. I need to do 2 things. All right. Also, I need to make it slightly shorter than the whole region, or it's gonna disappear. That's the thing. What do you say? Well, the hi-hat is a bit painful. I need to EQ it. Give me the EQ. This is the message we are gonna send aliens to listen to. Yay! It's compression like the strobe light of music production. It's compression like the strobe light of music production. I don't know. Okay, I think, you know, this is the part where we get like the Psytrance thing going, and then there's the part when we need to get into melodic stuff, and I want some chords, I want some fun things. So let's maybe go this thing. So here we're gonna introduce melodies. Copy this 4 times. Psytrance bass. Now we're gonna make a different bass. I want to maybe move the drums, move the MIDI drums track lower so I can see them easier, and so I want to move the bass higher. Yeah, let's make the life easier for us. Oh, I have ideas for sounds. I have ideas. We're gonna abandon the Psytrance feel a bit, maybe. Kinda, sorta. Just it. So we're in F. This needs to be longer. Yep. Maybe let's make a new lead, because why not? And make it a fem. It's a bit loud. Ha! You know what we can do? We could make this into a... like an electric piano. Or we could make it glitchy. Can we modulate the speed of one LFO with another LFO? That is a question. Can I modulate rate with one LFO with another LFO? I don't think so. Assign parameter 2. Okay. Add hey, wait! I can! Add modulation from LFO S LFO 1. Oh, it's scene LFO. LFO modulation current. Does it work? Holy snap, it works! Let me turn down the volume a bit. Oh, sorry, I will do that for you. really nasty stuff. I think this is very interesting. I think this is a... I haven't done this in a long time. Just go absolutely crazy with synthesizers. And I missed doing that, really. Let's use this LFO as a gate. So our volume is going to be 0 and be just pulsating with this thing. And make this tempo synced, so it's every 8th note, maybe? I have something in mind. What if I use the same LFO and... oh, but it needs to be a scene LFO. I see. Let's copy it and paste it here. Alright, and use it as the mix control. Just in reverse. Whoa! But we are in the key of F. Why not? Why not do D? Because it does... I mean, yeah, it can work in this key, I think. It's a bit too loud still for the context. Or it should be D sharp. Holy snap, we're really out of key. I mean, holy snap! Why does E sound good here? We are in F, why does E sound okay? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. And back and forth. We have enough drums? No, now we have. Oh man, we need a bass! Okay, let's try and repurpose our... I'm gonna just copy this. Really, we need to make a bass line for this thing. Maybe we can make it quieter. Control C, Control V. Ah! Wrong! Dude. Ah. Oh, it doesn't work very well. Oh, well. Ardor is kind of unresponsive for a while. Okay, now it's back. That was interesting. Not sure if it's good, if it works, but it was interesting. And there's still 95 people watching. That's amazing. Okay, what do you say we give it this one last playback and then we jump into music submissions? Ah, it works, as Rob Vandenberg says. All right. Ah, we didn't use our sick-ass vocal chops later. Maybe I can try and do something. I don't know. Stretch them. Just go crazy. B-Music says, es funktioniert. Okay, we made something really weird, but it's interesting. Actually, that was really fun. Unten kleben. All right, let's play this one more time. Everybody, thanks so much for going through this process of creation with me. And we're going to listen to the final piece and then move on to music submissions. Let's go. And yeah, that's it. I am not sure about the tonality and like the changes in key. Like I'm not sure everything works together, and like the standard European tuning, like thinking of harmony. But it's interesting, and I'm happy we've done some nice synthesizer experiments. Especially with this little screaming sound here, which was supposed to be a lead and turned out to be something really weird. Awesome. Xavier Brand says cyberpunk vibes. From what I've heard, it's not that close, but a little bit, maybe. Yeah. So we started with some synthwave-ishness and then went to... I don't think there's any psytrance in cyberpunk, though. they go with something called mid-tempo, and it's more like, I don't know. Actually, I was thinking about making it a cyberpunk-themed track and call it, I don't know, Bugs and Crashes or something like that. Yeah, fun stuff. Alrighty. And now the moment you've all been waiting for. Playing your music. Unfortunately, I haven't managed to arrange the order perfectly like I wish I could. So it's going to be a little bit random. But also, did I mention that yesterday there was just one track submitted, but I let you guys know that there's not much music to play and you send in all the tracks very quickly and they're awesome? Did I? Okay, let's go. This is a track titled Big Top by My Lo-Fi. And he's made it with Ardor, Bristol Synth, Drum Gizmo, using the Crotchell kit. Wow, I like this. Something's coming. Wow, this is so cool. I love the arpeggio floating around with reverb automation. And there's so much dynamics in here. I like how dynamic this mix is. Ah, lovely chord change. I love his guitar playing. This really makes you want to do a collab with this guy. Wow. So that was Big Top by My Lo-Fi. And now let's listen to Not the Same Kick by Steve Pixis. That's an inside joke, the title. He said it's done with LMMS and stock plugins. He also writes, "This is a work in progress of a hopefully upcoming track called Solar Wave. Tried something different this time, let's see if it works. LMS factory samples for the drums, LB302 for the bass, triple oscillator for some effects, and a shift load of Zenat sub effects for everything else." That's some nice 80s vibe. Yeah, it's pretty synthwavy. My goodness, so many classic synth sounds. I think it would be good to gate the reverb on the snare a little. The tail is quite long. I think it would benefit if you just cut it short with a gate. Tom Phil. You guys are absolutely loving this track. Nice pluck. All right, that was Not the Same Kick by Steve Pixis. And the next track is titled... Oh my goodness. It's titled Carfug by Paik. Made with Ardor. And that's all the info he gave me. Very unusual drum sounds. Oh, that's nice. I like these chords a lot. Music says, are all tracks exactly 3 minutes 3 seconds? Not all. I do fade them out if they are longer than 3 minutes. That's why they are all... Most of them are 3 minutes 3 seconds. By the way, still 104 people watching. Rob Vanderberg says, now I want to play Minecraft in creative mode. Oh yeah! I think this really captures the mood for something like that. This should have been the track I play as last, but I've saved something nice for last as well. So that was a track titled Carfug by Pake. And the next one is titled None Moving by ST. And it was made with LMMS. Rob Vandenberg says, does it clip? No, it's not clipping. That red color is the bass, I believe, the deepest bass. You can see on the vector scope that there is no clipping involved. There's no cut corners, no square things. It's dynamic. Sahativa asks, was there a low-pass filter on the master bus? I think something must have happened, because look, we're cut off at, actually 4 kilohertz. But this is the file I got. Maybe it's an error. Maybe he just encoded the file wrong, I don't know. I think we're never going above 4 kilohertz. No, these tiny spikes of high end, these are artifacts of compression, in my opinion. This is what very compressed sounds, file sounds do, like if you use MPEG or OGG. Maybe it was a mistake, I don't know. ST, if you're here, let us know if this was a mistake or if this track was supposed to be low-passed at 4 kilohertz. I like the bass and the groove that it creates with the kick. Maybe it's made as telephone call waiting music. That's why it's so low passed. Alrighty, so that was None Moving by ST. And now let's listen to Source, Work in Progress by Vulnier. And this one was made with LMMS. And he says, hello, this is a work in progress track. Kick might be very heavy at the moment. I'm working on it. Alrighty. Kick picks around 50 hertz. This is weird. Oh, I like this. Change in the bass. The lead synth sound detuned. Oh, I like this lower note in the bass. A change is coming. Oh, wow. I like this wailing synth in the background. Sounds very ominous. Yeah, that's a little bit of a horror movie theme. Is this like a horror movie dance track? Ksawery Treningowski says, my track is in mono by mistake. Brennan says, are you reviewing music or something? I am playing submissions from viewers to promote and inspire people to use free and open source software for music production. So that was Source, Work in Progress by Vulnier. And now let's listen to Come Inside by Kilgore. Love that synth. This is beautiful. And this track was made with Ardor. Kind of a two-step beat there. I like it. So I recognize the hi-hat sample. Oh, it's funny. Oh, I can't align the beat grid. Oh, I can, just... Oh, that's better. Is my voice too loud? I'm gonna turn myself down a bit. Holy snap, that bass. Ah! Oh, I love that bass line. I don't think I ever heard this kind of vibe from Kilgore before. This is awesome. Bren asks, have you ever purchased an FM synthesizer? No, I work in software. I played with Blofeld a little bit when I had a chance, but nothing special. My goodness, this track is so soothing. Soothing yet groovy. Lifeline says, these are user submissions, never to be found again. So cherish it. Yep, that was Come Inside by Kilgore. And now, I think this is the first one by Experibase, titled By Fox. It was made with LMMS and Audacity. And he says, fear me, for I am fluffy. think the kick is a little bit too loud. I like this arpeggiator in the back. The track could use some variation. Like, I would appreciate a second voice of the lead line coming in, like, with some harmony, maybe. Here we go again, man. And now we're in 3. I mean, the triplet feel. Interesting. I wonder if the bass is gonna go triplet now. Yeah! Love it. Interesting pitch bends in the kick. Okay, that was by Fox by Xperry Bass, and I think I've never played his tracks before. This is the first one he submitted. And now, a track by our old friend Ksawery Treningowski, and it's called Ablethoron. And it isn't in mono. This is so cool. This is so cool. It's weirdly sloppy, but very groovy. Love it. So that was Ksawery Treningowski, and the track was called Ablethoron. Oh my goodness, let me say what is it made with. It was made with Ardor. And that's all he wrote. Now, time for a track by Quantizer. I believe this is also the first submission. Never seen this name before. And he says it's titled Slightly Stronger Coffee. Let's go. We're up for some drum and bass now. Yay. And he says it was made with Linux Mint, LMMS, Vital, and Audacity. Oh, I love it. Dude! Gotta love the change of the snare. Tacoman asks, the hell is that snare? And Sahativa says, Venetian. Or Venetian. Yeah, gotta love this snare. It's so ringy. I'm missing a kick foe here. Yeah! I was longing for that kick to come back. Ah, I love those breaks. Ruba Climo says, found his SoundCloud. I'm content. Rob Vandenberg asks, who did this? The guy's or gal's name is Quantizer. Yep, so that was Slightly Stronger Coffee by Quantizer, made in Ardor using various stuff, including Vital. And now, a track by Outer Mind titled Technologic. Work in progress. And he says, made with LMMS, Synth 1 and Tyrell N6. He also says, samples, the kicks are his own. Mid-intro sounds, heavily manipulated glitch machine samples. Oh! Love a bass! Woo! 2 plucks or samples, mellow from Music Creator, Lo-Fi Sample Pack, and art from Glitch Machines. Clap and snare, producer spot house drums, impact and background effects, Music Creator samples, crash, Melbourne bounce crash, maybe change to center 909 or the one. That's so cool. Oh my goodness, that's so awesome. This brings me to classic trance feel, like the melodies, the triple feel. Ah yeah, and there we go. It's really cool how Outer Minds Advent Tuner tracks and this hardstyle things are clashing together. That's awesome. That's called a sausage mix. You can see it's flipping a bit, or it's very heavily limited. So that was Technologic by Outer Mind, a work in progress. And now the last track of this evening is by Nimbius, and the title is No End Cutoff. It was made with LMMS. And this time it seems like Nimbus has gone something slightly more upbeat. Or more groove-based, I don't know. I think the tempo detection wasn't perfect. Awesome sound. Look how effective can be a filter sweep. It's just a filter sweep. Check this. Oh, that's so cool. A completely different feel now. Like it's a different track. But it fits so well. Well, that's it for today. Thank you all for coming. I hope you've had a nice evening. I wasn't sure if this stream is even gonna work because I had so many different technical issues, but it worked out in the end and I'm really happy for it. And there's still 95 people watching. Yep, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming to this live stream. Thanks to all the people who have submitted their music on my request that, hey, I need some music to play tomorrow. Thank you for delivering that. Yay. Also, huge thanks to all the people who are supporting me financially on the Patreon and LiberaPay. This is very much appreciated, and the Patreon support has exploded after I've released the Ardor MIDI Masterclass video. Like it was 2 weeks ago already. Wow, time flies. Yay. Let's hope I'm gonna be back in my usual studio for the next live stream, but who knows? Yay. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.